Hello viewers, and what you're looking at is the all-new Porsche 911 GT3 from Hot Wheels, part of the Factory Fresh series. I'm excited about this casting, and let's take a closer look. Alright, as it struggles to stay in place, this new model from Hot Wheels is phenomenal. In shark blue, this paint really pops, and it looks so good in this 992 GT3. Alright, enough of that debacle, let's get right to it. Painted details like the Porsche logo at the center, with that black nostrils beside it. Those are vents on the hood, texture lower intakes, and the whole piece is a part of the black plastic chassis. The lens headlights is connected to the plastic windshield, but it's looking good. I like the choice of black wheels, the Wi-Fi plastic wheels and tires that looks close to the actual car. Door lines is decent with door handles, a side apron extension at the bottom right there. You get molded side mirrors are alright, and a black painted roof on top. Check out this painted taillights. This is one of the cleaner and fine application of the rear lights done by Hot Wheels. Porsche script at the middle. And look at this. Seems like a GT3 badge below the Porsche emblem. Wow, that is actually a nice touch. I'm not sure if you can see it through, but it's there. A pair of red markers, 911 GT3 license plates, and an integrated diffuser and center-mounted exhaust. We can't forget the molded rear wing, which dominates the racing looks. Black plastic interior, the windows does have a dark tint to it, and a roll cage perhaps inside, because race car. And that is the new 992 GT3. How do you like it? I think this is a solid new casting from Hot Wheels. The paint is remarkable. They executed this the way it should be. So comment down below. I would like to hear your thoughts. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already, please do subscribe to this channel.